You can remember this trigonometric values in this way. First you start with 0 degree and 90 degree. That is 0 degree and then 90 degree. So 0 degree or 0 radian, you can put 0 radian. And what about this? This is pi by 2 radian. Okay, so let us work out these values in this way. Sine cos, put sine cos. Sine 0, you can put 0. And you diagonally it becomes 0 for cos 90. Okay, so this is the best way. And what about sine 90 or sine pi by 2? That is 1. So diagonally you can put 1 here. So this is the easiest way. Okay, right. And what about 30 degree and 60 degree? Put 30 degree and 60 degree. So 30 degree is nothing but pi by 6 radian, and 60 degree is nothing but pi by 3 radian. Is it not? Now let us have sine and cos values. Sine pi by 6, that is 30 degree, is 1 by 2, and cos 30 degree is, that is cos pi by 6 radian, is root 3 by 2. So just put the diagonal like this. So this is 1 by 2 and this is root 3 by 2. Okay. Similarly for 90 degree, not 90 degree, that is for 45 degree. So 45 degree, which is nothing but pi by 4 radian. Is it not? Pi by 4 radian. Now sine and cos. Now sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. The same is applicable for cos, 1 by root 2. Now you know for tan value, tan is nothing but sine by cos. So you can easily arrive at now tan value. So what about the tan value here? Tan sine by cos. So 0 by 1, 0. Anything by 0 not determined. Okay, so this is the easiest way you can arrive at the results. Is it not? So sine and tan. Okay, so sine by cos 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So 2 by root 3 reciprocated, 2 cancelled. So you are able to get 1 by root 3. What about this? Root 3 by 2, 2 cancelled. So it is root 3. Okay. And what about this? 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, which is nothing but 1. So tan pi by 4 is 1. So in this way you can easily arrive at. And even the cosecant. Cosecant is nothing but the reciprocal of sine. So you can put the value 1 by 0 is not determined. 1 by 1 is 1. So likewise you can proceed with other values like that is cosecant. So cosecant is nothing but, let me put cosecant theta, which is nothing but 1 by sine theta. Similarly tan cot theta. Okay, and not cot theta, secant theta. So secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Similarly cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So all these values can be obtained from these tricks. Do you understand?